I think of the open source models as really useful for two main use cases. Number one, frankly, is we want developers and researchers to tinker with the models. The reason why we release the weights is for people to be able to do whatever they want in terms of fine-tuning, full parameter fine-tuning, customization. If the open source like AI, like history is a good teacher, we're going to see like many interesting fine-tunes emerge in the coming weeks and months. So that's number one. By definition, when you have the weights, you can do as much customization as you want on the model. The second one, which is a bit more a bit less obvious or, until you talk with customers, is the whole on-premise privacy, full privacy use cases. When you talk to extremely demanding customers, such as governments, banks, life sciences company, as well as, companies that operate in the real world, where, connectivity can be an issue, capacity can be an issue, you realize that I expect AI deployment is going to be hybrid between closed source and open source. I think if you look at Twitter, it tends to be extremely polarized on all open, no open, etc. The reality is that when you talk with large deployments, it's hybrid. So if to a bank, some of their core banking data, is on premise, really hard to move to the cloud. And so open source makes sense. But at the same time, they want to get access to the latest and greatest without having to stand up inference infrastructure, which is freaking hard. It's a mix. And so a few days in, what I'm seeing, people in the government and the enterprise, really experimenting way faster than before. Because, that bypasses all the complex, cloud, underwriting processes. And I'm seeing also developers, researchers, hackers really dissecting the model to try to, get the best of it for their specific use cases.